Hi, I'm Nathan and I'm part of the marketing team here at Gala Tent. Now, Gala Tent marquees are available in multiple strengths and sizes, and one of the most elegant and stylish additions you can make to an event marquee is a luxurious white satin liner. It instantly elevates it from an open framework and space to an inviting, comfortable environment. It's made right here in the UK exclusively for Gala Tent by our great people at Marshall's Castles, and can be created to decorate anything from a 3x2 metre marquee right up to a 9m×30 fusion marquee, and of course everything else in between. Something like this would be ideal for wedding marquees, or corporate events such as award ceremonies, and for any celebration such as a birth or christening, so it would make a great additional product to offer for marquee and event hirers to increase your revenues in such an uncertain time. Each lining set comes with enough material to hang loosely from each 2-metre roof bay, as well as to cover the end panels and each sidewall section. The door and wall sections can be pulled back to hang wonderfully around the entrances to add the amazing illusion of elegance. Prices start from a very reasonable $149.99, which is for a full set to accommodate a 3m×2 marquee. It's fire rated to a British standard, so not only is it a very definition of luxury, but it comfortably provides a safe place for any event's guests to enjoy. Some of the smaller sizes are available in stock for same-day dispatch, but some of the larger sizes will need to be made to order, so I recommend that you get in touch and have a chat to make sure that the size you want is in stock.